Okay. Yeah.
Hello, Amana. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Mhm, pen. Do you have any questions? Do you have any doubts?
Uh, no, but I did again. I did again this.
Slave node, master
m-
slave configuration, right?
yeah, and really, I don't know why, but on Saturday I was so confused with Linux, and I tried and I tried and I tried, and it kept on giving me this.
Okay, okay. No problem.
It
No.
was I was not able to
Yeah,
do
we,
this.
we will do today. Okay. We will finish that task. Okay. No problem.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay. So, before that, let me explain some of the concept that I have skipped, right? In the previous class.
sure.
Yeah. So, let me share my screen. Or shall I create one more slave before explaining the previous concept?
Which previous concept? It's up to which previous concept did you want to cover?
Yeah, I haven't completed that pipeline, right? Pipeline and like the legacy mode. So I think I
No,
haven't
legacy mode, we saw this. We did not legacy mode.
we completed, right?
Legacy mode, yes. Because
Yeah,
then
okay,
you couldn't
yeah.
log in and then you went into the
Yes, yes,
configuration
yeah,
file
yes,
and then
yes.
you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that one is completed. And so now we have to uh
Either you do the pipeline, I think the
yes, yeah.
pipeline,
Yeah, we'll do
scripted,
yeah.
or it's up to you.
Yeah, okay. I'll do a pipeline. Okay.
Okay.
Mohammed, just wait 2 minutes.
Take your time.
Okay. So here we have see first let me uh, okay. So that day we have created three projects, right? So
Yes.
and I think we got error for this project too, right? So I'll tell you why we got this error. So first of all, let me configure
Okay.
this project. So first let me go to this. See configure. See here our objective is to Just let me go to back. See, here this is project 1, this is project 2, this is project 3. See, for example, you have 3 environments. So the first environment is like your dev environment. So let me rename this one. Okay. So this is my dev. And now let me go to, this could be testing. And this could be production. I have taken only 3 environments. Now, what we have to do, first we have to take the code from the source code. Okay. So if you see, this is a development project. So first it will take the code from the source code, and it will do it will check all the uh, if there are any changes in your source code, then it will try to build that code by using some triggers. So that is what in development project. Okay. So after development project, what you have to do, you have to test the all the test cases, like you need to test the artifact, you need to test the source code. So that is you have to do in testing project. And after testing, what you have to do, you have to deploy that in production. Okay. So these steps should be happened automatically. Okay. Pipeline should be automatically happen, like we don't need to manually interfere. Okay, we don't need to push the code, we don't need to check out the code, we don't need to do all these things. Okay, just skip all the manual steps. Okay, we're just integrating, we are automating all the steps by taking 3 projects, like we have a dev, test, production. Okay, so here we are using the concept called upstream and the downstream projects. See, in this dev is like my upstream project. Now if my dev is completed, okay, dev means like in development generally, you may came across like in development, developers will write the code, they will test the code, and they will build the code. Okay, they will uh, here any remaining steps developers can do: writing the code, testing the code, building the code. Any other steps, Mohammed?
So, so we pull the code, we build, we test it. Oh, we need to deploy it to
No, developers
Google
will
Hub.
not do that. Developers will not do that. Okay, operations team will do that. Okay, deploying part
Mhm.
will be done by the operations team. Okay, the
Mhm.
developers will do writing the code.
Only the code.
Yeah, they will write the code, they will test at their development. Okay, but actual testing will be happen in the testing environments, like the testers will come into picture. Okay, so they will use some dynamic testing tools like Selenium, and other softwares will be used. Okay, so that testing will be done in some other project. Like, so here we are differentiating the environments, work environments, right? So because of, in every organization we will have different teams: dev team, tester team, and the operations teams. And if you want to integrate all these teams, we have a new concept, new methodology called a DevOps, right? DevOps is not like it's a culture. Okay, we are
Yes, yes.
integrating all the culture. Okay, so here what we are doing now, first I'll try to execute this dev project. If this dev project is successfully executed, then it should trigger the next project. Okay, it should trigger the downstream project. What is the downstream project? We have a downstream project, test project, right? So it should be automatically shifted to the testing environment. We are not manually shifting that. So that's why we need to use this pipeline. Okay, so after completion of testing project, it should go to production. Okay, but here that day we got some error. So why we have got that error? Because if you see in testing generally, this is the testing project, we have got error. This error is because of we didn't have we didn't fetch the code from the source code, SEM. Okay, there is no code for building the project, but in dev we fetch the code, we build the code, we deploy the code. Okay, but in testing we didn't do that. Sorry, we didn't deploy that in dev, right? Just we fetch the code and we build the code. But in the testing we don't have any code to build. Okay, so that's why we got error here. So let me open this project. So let me configure. I'll show you that here we didn't give any git project, we didn't give uh, any source code link URL we haven't given here. That's why we got an error here. See here, we are directly giving the goals without fetching the code. Okay, that's why we got an error. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll I'll try to fetch the code from the GitHub. Let me, which project we have taken? Mohammed, if you have any doubts, just please ask me. Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. I think till now you don't have any doubt, right?
No, because this is what we did. So I think for this part is okay. I think it's more later, like later,
Yeah.
the
In the
later part. Yeah.
later part will be. I'll explain that. Okay. This is like
Okay.
a basic one. Okay. So which repository we have taken that day?
Don't remember. But I think there was an issue with the source code. Remember?
Let me go to the first one, dev. Okay, I'll try to copy that code.
Oh, see, just one more thing here.
Okay.
See, when you select the pipeline, whatever it is,
Mhm.
last time I realized it asks you for GitHub twice. In the
Ye-
beginning, it asks you for this,
Yes, exactly.
and then after, because like in a, let's say in a general
Mhm.
part, it asks you for GitHub,
Mm.
and then later on, it asks us again for GitHub. So I'm thinking, why do we need to mention it twice?
Yeah, okay. So by default, actually, Jenkins will install Git. Okay. So there are two plugins which are automatically installed when you install Jenkins. Those two plugins are Maven and Git. So because of that reason only, so you can see the Git by default there. But if you see, we have one more. See, I'll show you that. First of all, let me copy this link. Yeah. See, it is asking GitHub project here and also here, right? So that is your doubt, right?
Exactly, because I was wondering why do we have, because
Yes,
I was
yes,
doing this, and this is when I had this question.
yes. Okay. So I'll tell you, this GitHub project is by default, it will be installed. Okay, the plugin will be installed. GitHub. There is a plugin called GitHub plugin. Okay, but if you see this one, so automatically you have
I know, sorry, source code management, so it can be GitLab, Bitbucket, anything.
not GitLab, Bitbucket. These are see, you will for alternate to Git alternate, we have SVN, right? So if you install SVN
Yes.
plugin, yeah, SVN plugin, then you can see one more option in the source code management here. Under this, you can get one more option, SVN. It is based on the plugins that you have installed. Okay, but here this Git is automatically installed and the GitHub is automatically installed. So because of that only, it is showing GitHub project because of the GitHub plugin, and it is showing Git because of the Git plugin. Okay, but if you install SVN, then you can see the SVN also here. Okay, there is no
Okay, but my question is, so which one shall we? Because it's asking you for your repository URL, and then here as
yeah,
well, project
yeah.
URL. So which one shall we fill up? This one or the other one?
See, here we have like we have blocks. I'll show you that. See, I'll try to just let me close this one. I'll open a new project. Let me create a new project.
Your item, yeah.
I think, yeah, okay, no problem. Here you can see general, it's a one block.
Yes.
Okay, source code is a one block. So like that, you will
Yes.
have blocks. Okay,
Mhm.
so in every block, for example, if you select this general block, okay, this is the general one. You whether you're selecting or you're not selecting, that is depends on your choice. Okay, but this is must source code management.
Okay.
Okay, you
Okay.
must select that.
Mhm.
Okay, that is your choice. Okay, but it is better to select both the things. Okay, GitHub project and even Git
You give
also.
it. You
That is
give the
that is
link
the
and then
yeah,
Git.
that is the recommended one. Okay, okay. So here in testing, I'll configure that. I'll try to copy this project. So we will have three projects, and three projects will have a link between with each other. Okay, among each other. And this is the master branch, I think so. Open technologies. Today I tried a lot. Okay, no problem. I took the code and date, Polesium. Okay, clean package. Microsoft build. We need to change this one. This is prod and save. This one also we need to change. This should be testing, sorry, testing. Okay, so I'll give you a overview. Okay, now I'll try to do build this dev. Okay, after that I'll check this whether it is working or not. After that I'll give you overview. So
Okay.
I think I have given Polesium for this.
Sorry, one more thing.
Yeah, okay, you can
Yeah,
ask.
when you go to Polysium,
Okay,
where is it? I can't see Polysium. Where is it?
yeah,
Mm, yeah, yes. Or even any of them, Polysium or build periodically. You know, when I clicked on it, because I tried last time, you know, when I put the stars and okay, it asked me put space. Okay, when I put space, it tells me that it's expecting something and then there is null. But I don't understand because even if add one space after the last star, or if I remove the space after the last star, it still give me that error. So I don't know what to do.
So here you're giving asterisks, right? Like this.
Yeah, and then it gives me an error.
Why it is giving error? Because you are giving a space between each star, between two stars, right?
Yeah, and when I remove the space, it tells me that
You
it's
should
it's expecting a space.
no, you should give space.
Yeah,
So if you
and when I
didn't,
give the space, yeah, when I
Mhm.
give the space, it's giving me an error. It says it's expecting something. I don't remember what it was, and then it says
uh,
null.
maybe you have given extra space, maybe 2 3 spaces.
Because I did it several times and it was only one space between each star. And then after the last star, I did with the space and without space, and still I had this error. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Let me check here. Okay, no problem. But
Okay, sure. Okay.
better you have to give one space only. Okay, and I'll try to. I forgot to tell you. Instead of giving like this, we have one more method. Like, for example, uh, if you want to build this, if you want to trigger the build for every 1 hour. Okay, how you can give through cron expression?
I don't
I
know.
think I didn't explain this cron expression,
No,
right?
no, no, no. Yeah. I remember last time you told me you were going to do, you
Yeah,
didn't.
yeah. Okay, so, okay. Let me explain that cron expression so that I can try to give this.
Sure.
Okay, within 5 to 10 minutes I can explain that. Okay, no problem. Uh, so generally our cron expression will be the basic expression will be like this only. Okay, so 5 asterisks will be given here, right? So this first asterisk, okay, the first block, we can say the block 1. Block 1 indicates the first asterisk. Okay, so this first asterisk will indicate the minutes. Okay, minutes. So the minutes in 1 hour. Okay, how many minutes will be there in 1 hour? 60 minutes will be there, right? But in the first asterisk, in the place of first asterisk, you can place the numbers from 0 to 59. 59. Okay, so you have to count from 0. Okay, you should not give 60. Okay, so in the first place, you can give 0 to 59. First asterisk will indicate the minutes. And the second asterisk, sorry, block 2. The second asterisk will indicate hours. Okay, so how many hours are there in one day? So it will indicate
24.
hours. 24. So what are the range we can give here? What's the range?
0 to 23 then.
0 to 23. Yes, exactly. You should not give 24. Okay. And next, block 3. Here in the third asterisk, it indicates the the days in a month. Okay, days in a month.
Sorry, how about the week? So you went for.
Week, I'll tell you that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the third asterisk will indicate days in a month. So here,
Month, okay.
how what is the range?
Well, 0 to
No,
29.
here you can give 1 to 31. Okay,
Okay.
this is the range. You should
Mhm.
remember this range. Okay, and block 4 indicates. So how many months are there in year? Okay,
12.
12. Okay, so months in year. So what is the range?
So 1 to 12.
1 to 12 exactly. And here comes the question. So you asked me, right, about the week. So the block 5 indicates the day of the week. Okay, day of the week. So here we have 7 days. So the range will be from 0 to 6. Okay, so here 0 indicates Sunday.
Monday. Sunday,
Sunday,
okay.
yes, Sunday. And 6 indicates Saturday. Okay. So now I'll ask you some question. Now I want to trigger a build every day at 12 p.m. Okay, 12 noon. So this is my question. So my question is, it should trigger every day at 12 noon. Okay. So
Okay, so
how?
the first one is 0.
Okay, tell me. The first one is
0, the first one is 0.
0. Okay.
Second one is 11.
11.
Yeah, because we start from hours. You said 12. So we start from 0. So it should be 11. It shouldn't be 12.
No, 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 no. So see here,
Oh,
here,
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, it's fine, fine, fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Because the hours.
okay,
Yes, yes, yes. 12. Yes,
okay,
yes, you're right. Yeah, 12.
12. Okay,
Per
12.
hour
Okay, then
12. They also it's every day. So this one should be. So if it's every day, I don't know
every
if it's
day.
every day. If it's every day, maybe a star to say every day. I don't know.
Yes, exactly. It should be star. Okay.
Okay.
The star
And
indicates
then
every
month,
day.
yeah. Okay, a
Yeah.
month of the year, so every month. So
Every month,
star,
this one. Okay.
yeah. And every day of the week. Okay.
Yes. This is the correct one. Okay. Let me ask you one question. One more question. Now, it should trigger every day at 8:30 p.m. Every day
Mm-hmm.
at 8:30 p.m. What will be the cron expression?
So it would be 30,
30,
8.
8, or I'll ask you one more question. Can I give 08 here?
Wait, 8.
Just try it yourself. Okay.
Yes,
You,
yes,
you, you,
yes.
you can try.
Yes, 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 because yes, yes, is 8, yes.
Yeah.
Because the other 8 is 8 p.m. and this one is 8 in the morning. Okay.
So here I'll give 8. Just you can try 08 also. Okay. So tell me
Mhm.
what will be the output. Okay. So now, okay. Then,
So, so it's star, star, star.
okay. Yes, exactly. Now I'll ask you one more question.
Mhm.
Now, it should trigger at 8:30 p.m. every Sunday. Then
Mhm.
what will be the,
So same,
not,
so it's 38.
sorry,
Ah, you
one,
said PM, eh?
every day
So
8:30
12,
p.m.
20, 20, sorry. So you said PM, so it's,
Yeah,
yeah, so
8:30
20.
p.m.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think, is
Yeah,
it correct?
30
Is
and
it
20.
correct? Is it correct?
This one.
Second question.
So put 08, better. Put
No,
08.
no. I think here you can see 8:30 p.m., right? If you
Oh, sorry,
convert
it's 20.
this,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay,
20, yes, yes,
is
yes,
here
yes,
you
20,
have to give
yes.
20. So, okay.
Yes, yes. Same,
Yeah,
like, yeah, yeah,
yeah.
20, yeah.
So now it
So
should
it's
take
same.
every day 8:30 p.m. Every Sunday.
No, no, yeah. So you said 30,
Now tell me
30,
30,
20.
20, and
And so star, star, 0.
star 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Now, if it is Wednesday, then what will be the cron expression?
So it's 1, Tuesday, 2, Wednesday, 3. 3.
3, exactly. So now, uh, one more question. It should trigger between, okay, uh, between 12 minutes to 20 minutes every day. Sorry, minutes every uh, Friday. Every Friday at um, every Friday, it should trigger 12 minutes to 20 minutes at let me okay, let me take 8 p.m. Okay, so it should trigger at 8 p.m. Okay, it should trigger at 8 p.m. and from that 8 p.m. okay, it should trigger again from 12 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, every Friday. Did you get my question?
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me the
So
configuration.
basically, it's from 8 to 9 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, 8 to 9 p.m. I forgot.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, so the first one is minutes. So, but this one is um, between
Just
12 and 20.
yeah. So this will be your assignment. Okay, you can
Okay.
just
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
you
Sure.
can
No problem.
submit tomorrow. Okay. So this is one way. Okay. Now I'll give you one more way. This is like a more precise manner, like if you fine a fine grade. Okay, it's like if you want to give
Mhm.
minutes and hours like that. Okay, but generally if you want to just write an expression hourly basis or monthly basis or weekly basis, if anyone asks you okay, so for example, if I want to trigger the build for every 1 hour, then how you can write a cron expression. So in that case, the another method is like just give okay at the rate of and hourly. Okay, just simply you can write like this. So it will trigger every 1 hour. Okay, or if you give daily, this is not like a fine grade. Okay, so if you give daily, it will trigger daily, but we don't know at what time.
Mhm.
Okay, and if you give monthly, it will trigger monthly, and if you give yearly, you can give like this. This is also one way. Okay, and also we have one more way. For example, I want to trigger the build every 5 minutes. So can you tell me this expression, this general expression for every 5 minutes, if you want to build, how you can give?
Okay. So, every point. Oh, okay. No, no, 1 divided by 5.
just 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 think again,
Because,
just
okay, because if we give them, because otherwise I need to put 4 and then 9 and then, no, how can I put this? Oh, it's, s- uh, s- uh,
can we give like this? Just tell me, can we give like this? Is it correct? It will it trigger every 5 minutes?
5. No, no, every time it's 5. So every hour, whenever it's 5 minutes past, no?
See, this is every 1 hour.
6.
This is
Mhm.
every hour, fifth minute.
Yes, exactly. Yes, yes, that's what
Okay,
I was mean. Yes.
so this is not right, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, then tell me the other one, the correct way.
Uh,
I think
So, okay, so 60, so 5, how many 5 minutes days in? So, it's 60, so it's
okay, okay, it's fine,
6,
fine. Okay,
12,
so
12.
yeah,
No, I
12.
don't know. 5 divided, I don't know. I don't know.
No, 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 no. Okay, no problem.
Star
See,
divided by 12. Star
not
divided by 12 is, I don't know.
like that. See, we have to give like this. Okay,
Okay.
so it will trigger every 5 minutes, or you
Okay.
can give like this also, h by 5. Like this also you can give.
Yes.
Anyone. Okay, both are right.
Okay. Mhm.
So now I want to trigger every minute in between 30 to 40. Okay, see here I'll write an expression, then you can tell me how it will execute. Okay, how it will trigger. So now tell me how it will execute. Just
No, so because this
just
time
wait,
is
just wait.
yeah, bit
I'll give you one
okay.
more link. It is going to end. Okay, just wait. We'll start the session with a new link.
Okay, okay, okay.